Hey guys, it's Jonah Manzano here. I hope you guys are doing well today or tonight. In today's topic, we have a new feature on Threads app. So this new feature is the ability to actually post the music. You can actually basically add your music, any music you like, and search it up in the search bar or by artist. So let me show you how it works. It's pretty simple. So when you open up your Threads app, all you have to do is click the plus sign. You have different options. You have the gallery, you have the GIF or GIF or GIF, whatever you call it, and you have this music icon. Just click or select the music icon. So from there you'll be able to search the artist or the name that you like to post on your Threads. So you have three options. After or before you post it, you have the music card. Okay, similar to Instagram where it's just rolling like a disc of vinyl. So you also have just the text and the music, and the cool part is you also have the lyrics. Apart from that, you can also adjust the clip or the music where you want to start your music. Let me know if you have this feature. I've just discovered this today. A lot of people saying that they should bring the voice note back. They should instead not release this feature. But I don't know if you have this, because I am in Australia, so I'm not sure if it's by specific users only or by region. Okay, so let me know if you have this or not. Anyway, just wait for it. It might roll out to you very soon. Cheers, bye.